Hey, lovers. Joy. Yes, she is in the box. They conned me. So that's what we've been doing on this good Saturday. I think I cleaned up my house a little bit. Now I can't get out. Can't get out the parking lot.
Why?
Because this man is fucking way. That's what I'm doing.
You probably going to Costco.
Yeah. Supposed to came up the Costco.
Huh?
So we have our first pet. Well, I'm gonna have to talk to y'all in a second because I don't know where the hell I'm going.
I think you're going correct. That's how we turned in there.
Yeah, this is how we turned in there. But I'm going to Washington. Okay. Yeah, so I know I'm going. Actually, I know I'm going because back there is where that lady broke down. I took that boy to go get some gas.
Yes, girl.
I sure. Yep, I know I'm going. All right, y'all. So it's done. It was worth it though. I love animals, so I'm excited to get her home and like get her cozy, and get her bed and clothes. You guys will see. We'll do a reveal when we get in the house, and I'll show you everything that I got. I'll do a separate video on that since we're out of school for the next 2 weeks. But you know, I'm really gonna try to get out a lot of content. So yeah, right now we're yeah, you want these? But back together. It was together in the store. We y'all put it back together. Would you put it? Well, she might need the water now. Oh. So we haven't revealed what she looks like. So wait till the end of this video, and you'll get to see.
Yeah. That's what I was about to do. I
can hold this for you.
So originally I was gonna do a whole video on everything I bought, but I'm trying to get her settled and situated now. So, this is her water, so you can put J-O-Y on the top.
Joy. J-O-Y. Joy. I have to find a book. Oh,
yeah.
She has a lot of things.
She does have a lot of things.
She looks cute when you see her at the end of the video. So, make sure you She's not doing nothing. All she's doing is just poop. She's not doing nothing but pooping.
She's not doing nothing.
Huh?
You got her name on the pen.
I know, I'm trying to find her.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
First, I'm going to wait for my little, like, talking. She's a little adorable, cute. Oh, my God. She just jumped up.
Scoot back. Scoot back. Scoot back.
And
She's up tall. She's up tall again.
And
she's up tall again.
She wants to get out.
Oh, hey, girl. To get out. Look at you. I thought it was going to take you a little while to get accustomed.
No, Mommy, let me do it.
Okay, right on the top and on the little thing. So, I was going to do it like a, talk about all the products and everything, which I still talk about, but I'm going to show y'all now. And Yaya's going to tell you what they're for. So, no, I'm just playing. So, go ahead, Jim. I'm about to put, once Yaya comes back with the litter box, we will reveal what our little Joy looks like.
Drop in here, right?
Show you what it looks like. We have our food, water. And this is just for now. This is our little starter kit. Comment below, let us know how we did. I think we did pretty good.
Come here now.
Yeah. All right. So the moment y'all been waiting for. Drum roll, please. All right, let's see Miss Joy. Look how cute she is. Hey, girl. I don't want to get too close. Finish the video. I know our bunny rabbit is playing around. Our bunny rabbit is playing around a little bit and trying to jump out the cage, but we can't let him because the man said do not play with him too much. Yep, for a couple of days.
For a couple of days.
And it's a her.
And it's a her. Her name is Joy.
Yep. She's over there chilling.
Yeah, she's over there.
Yeah.
So, subscribe to our video.
Right.
If you like it, then push the
subscribe.
Your mother has one.
The subscribe button, and no, if you like it, if you don't. So, is she's cute?
She can get up on her hind legs.
Yes, she is.
She just jump. She's trying to get out the cage, but we can't let her to.
Yeah, she's cute.
Because she's cute. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you put pet pipes on there?
Yeah.
Okay.